Okay, so didn't do a big build series for this, but I figured I'd do this video and then another one when I'm actually cooking with it. It's kind of raw right now because I've only got the rims painted and they're not that great, but anyway. So this is my smoker that I built. Started out as a Craftsman air compressor, and then I added some wheels off a 1940s Chevy that was welded to a dock to roll it in and out of the lake. I welded that band around there. If I still got the video for that, I'll add that in. And then on the back here, this is all 3/8 for this firebox. I had a hinge laying around. I used some bar stock here to make a control door. Twisted a piece here, knob off of an old hydraulics valve. Got some charcoal and a little bit of hickory in there running right now. And this is just to burn it out, to burn off paint that's not high temp. Oil, grease, anything that might have gotten on it. After I do that, I'm going to paint it with high heat grill paint. The frame down here, just get regular spray paint because it doesn't get hot. And then after that, I'll burn it out one more time, cure that paint, make sure everything's good to go. Then I'll run some meat on it. So that'll be the next video. It'll be painted and running, and then food. 4-inch exhaust stack here, stainless steel. I don't know if I'll paint it or not. I didn't do a great job welding it, but it doesn't matter. And I mean, this thing, 100% scrap metal. Every single piece of this was something that was going to get thrown away or somebody didn't have a use for. The only new parts are those feet and the bolt that it pivots on, because it kind of pivots like a lawnmower front end to keep everything level. And I bought these thermometers, but, well, I guess I bought these latches here to hold this door, firebox door shut. But otherwise, this is all scrap metal, stuff I had left over, whatever, you know, air compressor was junk. So, you know, it's not that hard to make these. You just got to have a plan with how you're going to put it together, you know, and go for it. And this is just a regular offset. It's not a reverse flow or anything. There's a million websites and forums out there to show you how to build these. So right now, running 300 degrees, just about everywhere. I expected it to be a little lower there because these are obviously up higher, but just so I can tell this end from that end, which end's at what temperature and where my cook surface temperature is. So, you know, a lot of the ones you see in the stores just have one like right there, but it will vary a lot from end to end when you're cooking in these. And the only reason why mine is so consistent, it's actually a little hotter down here. I've got this cook chamber filled with charcoal as well as a firebox. So I'm trying to get it real hot, burn all the paint off. So there it is. Lid's being held down right now so it doesn't warp. That's the cooking grate. I didn't want that to get all warped really bad because it's going to be really hot in there. So that's what we got right now. So next episode we'll be actually cooking on it. Okay, now it's nice and crispy. All that paint burned off. I did have a little help, but I'll wire brush it, wire wheel it with the angle grinder, something like that. Wipe it down with some acetone for paint. That'd be a nice and easy project. So it's a uniform color. We got the heat going. Just starting it up, burn this paint in, burn off the overspray inside. Not had it running very long, but I don't have anything in the cook chamber right now besides the cooking grate. Yeah, like I said, it's just a uniform color, so that's what I was going for. Tomorrow, we're gonna put some food in it. We're actually cooking food today. Got some apple on the charcoal in there, getting her up to temp. See how it turns out. First time I'm running food on it. Got the drip bucket installed. Just a pipe nipple with a notch in it. And a little bucket, so that'll work. Yeah, if you're looking, you're not cooking. They've been on here about 30 seconds, but we're doing beef ribs tonight. And I got it loaded up with mesquite. So, well, mesquite and charcoal. So, we'll see how these turn out.